Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Xbox One sign-in issue and it you cannot log into your account.
Fix 1. Restart your Xbox One. Step 1. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds. Step 2. Wait for it to fully shut down. Step 3. Turn it back on and try signing in again. Fix 2. Check Xbox Live server status. Step 1. Open any browser on your phone PC. Step 2. Search Xbox Live status. Step 3. If servers are down, wait until they're back online. Fix 3. Test your internet connection. Step 1. Go to Settings, Network Settings. Step 2. Select Test Network Connection. Step 3. Reboot your router if there's an issue. Fix 4. Remove and add your profile. Step 1. Go to Settings, Account, Remove Accounts. Step 2. Remove your gamer profile. Step 3. Restart Xbox. Step 4. Sign in again with your Microsoft account. Fix 5. Clear local saved games. Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Storage. Step 2. Select Clear local saved games. Fix 6. Check date and time settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Time. Step 2. Enable Set automatically. Step 3. Restart your console.